Hi, welcome back to another video on my farming journey. For this week's video, I'm gonna do some barn tour. First, I'm gonna bring in some silage bales for this evening's and tomorrow morning's feeding. We'll start with that and then go on the tour. So enjoy the video.
Stars last night, did not believe that I would end up right. Lucky endings were not something for me. I drove around all across the land, thought that I was caught in a one-man band, but playing all those sad and lonely was lost, my hope was gone. My dreams were shattered and I was done. I was roaming down the street in my weary feet, and then you came along with the love so strong. You took me out of the cold into the fire. You're picking me up when I'm down on the ground. Whenever I'm low, you are lifting me higher. And when lost, you make sure that I'm found. Out of the cold into the fire. Out of the cold into the fire. This is too good for a man like me, be treated by someone so tenderly. I'm afraid that I might wake up someday. Sometimes I feel like I'm someone else. I don't really know.
So we start here. This is our milk room or something. There's the milk tank washing because milk truck came today, so we're washing it clean. There's the milking units. Here's the barn. We have a Thai style barn. It's a bit dirty. Just came in the barn. Oh, they haven't eaten everything. We have 31 Thai stall. At the moment we have, I think, 28 cows. Quite a few now are dry cows, but about to give birth in April. One's in March. Start feeding flour to them, and then give silage and then start milking soon. They've been eating hay. In the morning before milking we gave silage, and then after milking we give hay. This is the same barn my grandfather milked cows, only he had cows on this side only. He had 16 cows, and that side was for heifers and calves, and the end there was a small chicken area. But when I came and started farming, I needed more space for cows, so I made all that side for the cows. Well, not all of it at once. We started with 2 places there at the end. I'll go there. This is where the chicken area was. This was the first 2 stalls we added when I bought the first cows, and then we added 4 more next year, 4 more next year, and then 4 more the year after. There's a lot of shit on the walkway. Need to clean that. This is the cow we call the blonde cow for obvious reasons. Well, she's a bit dirty now, but I want to build a new barn, but for now, this is what we got, and I have to work with that. When my grandfather came to this farm in, I think at the end of the 80s, there was none of this building here. There only was these walls. These walls, I don't know how old they were, but at the other building on the wall it says 1869. So I assume these might be maybe a bit younger, maybe the same year, maybe a bit older, who knows. There was no roof, no nothing. Everything you see here, my grandfather built. There was actually trees growing inside here. There was nothing here. This is the hay barn, where we storage our hay for feeding. Here are the silage I bring in, flour for feeding. At the beginning of winter, all this is full with hay. Now, of course, the winter is close to ending, so the amount of hay has dropped, of course. Yep. Quite a big barn. This year we are planning to change all the boards of the barn. There is actually a company who does it for free. They just need the old planks, because I think they're making furniture of the old planks or something like that. They just come with brand new boards. They take the old ones off, put the new ones on, totally for free. I guess that's how profitable their model of business is. This is the calf and heifer barn. Everyone wants to eat at this moment. We have 3 tri-stall barns here for heifers, actually 4, but when I did the measurements I didn't thought it really true. I thought there's gonna be enough space for 4, but for bigger heifers only 3 fit. I used to have pigs here 1 year. I also have a door there for pigs, but never used it because pig sickness outside, it's illegal to keep the pigs out. And here are our heifers, little calves. We built this building, I think it was in 2018 or 2019, I can't remember. Especially for calves, because obviously in that barn I don't have a space for them anymore, because I made it full with cows. And actually this building we call the stables, because originally when we built it we had 2 horses and these 2 spaces were for horses. See, we have Latvian blue cows, heifers, not cows, cows are there. Oh yeah, I didn't show the Latvian blue, I'll show you. These are Latvian blue heifers, 3. I think this one is, this breed is called Normandy, I think. And this is our Wagyu steer. It's a cross. I think we put it on Latvian blue cow. We put Wagyu semen. We basically grow it for our own beef supply. Just wanted to try how good of a marble I can grow. This is a little brown Swiss calf. Some Holstein black and whites. This is, I think this one is a Hereford. We do use a bit of beef semen on some cows. Here also, that's a little Hereford bull calf, and this one's a Latvian blue. As you see, I'm quite a big fan of Latvian blue cows. And this is Latvian brown, small cow, small heifer. These I think are about to give birth, I think in August. That's a bit smaller, a bit later. These 2 need to go to the cow barn before spring so they can go out with the cows in the pasture. The rest of them, oh there's a lot actually, will go in the heifer pasture. Some of them, I don't know where I put the rest. And this is the smallest calf we have, Latvian brown. running out of space, so we put it there. But we are moving those two to the cow barn. Then these two are coming to the tie stalls. And then we are rotating a bit, so we have a bit more room. I think that's a Holstein bull. That's that I'm going to sell, so I'm gonna put this white. She's more white than black. I think I'm gonna put her together with this little heifer. So I'm hoping to have two free spaces. I need to clean these beds. We have a deep bedding system here. It was quite cold some days and some weeks, and then there were snowstorms, and we have to clean this all by hand. I didn't thought it through when I was building this building. Here's the outside where the heifers go to the pasture. Quite a bit of snow. In this area, as you see, there's a bit of fencing. This is where we teach our little calves what's electric fence. We close this one up too, and there's electric fence line here. And on that's mostly heifer pasture, this side. The cow pasture is on the other side. And this is our manure storage. I built this the same year as a barn. Before this, we used to store manure on the other side there in a big heap. We just took it out by wheelbarrow, and that was a lot of work. It's a bit less work. Now we have this manure transporter. Well, we don't have it inside the barn. All the troughs, or whatever they're called, we clean them by hand. Well, by the pitchfork we push it to the end of the barn, and then in the big hall where it's transported outside. And then with the tractor we just push it down. It's quite a big down. I'm as you see, not that good with English yet, but I'm learning how to talk more freely. That's for the slurry. It's quite full, and it's gonna be more full when the snow melts. So I'm waiting for spring to take it out. Yeah, that's the cow barn, hay barn, and the heifer barn, or the stables. Call it as you want it. This place used to be all mess. There was old ruins here. It was all not level. Everything was really bad in this place. But this spring, my friend came over with a mini excavator, made it all flat. I planted some grass seeds, so it's now all level and nice. We have some little calf houses there. Sometimes in the summer we put them in the outside in the pasture with the fence around it, so they can live outside. I'll feed you soon enough, don't worry. Oh, hello. Hey, there's my girlfriend. There's Latvian blue cow. There's Latvian brown cow. Also another Latvian brown cow. There's the latest purchase though. This is Latvian blue. This is more blue than that's another blue. They have many different tones. We have one brown Swiss here. This is my first cow. The very first. It was a gift from my aunt. She gifted me as a heifer. Oh, there's another Latvian brown. It's quite dark, I hope you can see. Yeah. And this is the cow barn. There's my little angel. Need to shut off the washing of the milk tank. Okay.
work it out what you're putting in. All your hopes and efforts are all in vain. Who will pick you up when you've lost everything? Does it all become for granted with a wedding ring? Oh, there must be more. There must be another way. There must be conscience. Different things in different ways. There must be love. There must be a reason. And a little bit of faith has got to come my way. I was just a little girl when my mama used to say, ooh, happiness requires work every day. Oh, and if that someone makes you smile and leaves you with a scar, don't let them tell you what you feel or who you are. Oh, there must be more. There must be another way. There must be conscience. Different things in different ways. There must be love. There must be a reason. And a little bit of faith has got to come my way. I gave it all to you for too There must be more. There must be another way. There must be conscience. Different things in different ways. There must be more to the reason why we do it all for love. There must be more for a reason, and a little bit of faith has got to come my way. Has got to come my has got to come my way.
When I think of who I used to be, my faith was lost, my hope was gone, my dreams were shattered, and I was done. I was roaming down the street in my weary feet, and then you came along with the love so strong. You took me